Hi, everybody. Welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. We will be closed for Thanksgiving on November 23rd and 24th, but we'll be back open on Saturday, November 25th. On Sunday, November 26th at 2 o'clock, there will be a documentary screening of Bearer of the Morning, the life of Tieta Thompson Fisher. So come, relax for an hour, and hear the fascinating story of Tieta. On Saturday, December 2nd, from 2 to 3, come join us for an enjoyable afternoon crafting festive holiday ornaments like these and a delightful bag of potpourri that will be perfect for simmering on the stove. The teen DIY for the next couple of Mondays will be making boba tea on November 20th and duct tape crafts on November 27th. Both programs are from 6 to 8. And on Saturday, December 2nd, starting at 9:30, there will be an ACT workshop for teens. So check our event calendar for more details. Children's will have another local author story time on December 2nd from 10 to 11. This one will be with Brittany Wilson featuring her book, The Tuxedo Ball. And here are a couple of the next quilt creations that they're going to be doing. This is the little pumpkin. It's like a 3D pumpkin. Isn't that cute? Little old tiny thing. And then there's the poinsettia. This, I think, is beautiful. So this program is virtual. So be sure and tune in for that. November is Native American Heritage Month, so I gathered together some books that you might find interesting. In the adult department, we have books like this one that show all the different things about Native Americans. And then we have biographies. There is a ballerina, one that is she was football, baseball, who was a very good athlete. Then we have a true crime. And then we have books about notable people who are all Native Americans. And also in the adult department, we have the graphic novel series, Moonshot. It's about Indigenous people. In the YA department, we have a book that talks about Indigenous people and the history of the United States. In the children's department, there is this series. If you like the Boxcar Children, this is kind of like that, only it has Native American children in it, and it is a mystery series. This is book 1, and I'm told it's really good. And then we have picture books that are all about the different tribes. This is the Lakota, this book. It talks about the legend of the horse. And then they have the Inuit, which here's this one and this one. And it is in English and their language. And then we have the Cree, the Plains Cree, which we have lots of those books. And all of these are in English and in the Plains Cree language. So I hope you guys will come in and take a look at these and enjoy reading them. You can also visit Hoopla for the Native American Heritage Month collection. And you also still have time to select some bonus borrows on Hoopla for the month of November. So that's it. So till next time, I hope you all have a wonderful couple of wonderful weeks. And happy Thanksgiving.